When you are exploring in the wild, you never know when a survival situation may arise. To withstand any dire condition, a survival shovel can become handy to light the fire, take down the game, or even set up a shelter to stay alive until rescuers come for you. And that's why in today's video, we're gonna show you the best 5 survival shovels which are great for utility, digging, light fire, and everything in between. So without further ado, let's dive into the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
When you are in a survival situation, a shovel can play an important role and helps you to face various difficulties. Now, meet the Spetsnaz trench shovel from Cold Steel, an amazing shovel that is ideally suited for any dire situation. It is designed after an original Soviet Spetsnaz military entrenching tool which was made from carbon steel to make it durable to withstand any tough situation. This 36.3-ounce shovel has broad flat steel blade and 3 sharp edges which will help you to dig holes, cut ropes, branches, or throw it to take down your target. You can also use it to cut wood for the fire on a campsite. The overall length of this shovel is 30 inch while its handle is made from hickory woods which allows it to have firm grip while working. This shovel also boasts the weighting features of the Special Forces model like Soviet Spetsnaz with the added benefit of enhanced size. The Cold Steel Spetsnaz trench combines premium materials with excellent durability to provide you the critical edge in any survival situation. Be prepared for anything with the ESD Gear Survival Shovel, a life-saving survival tool that is always ready when you need it the most. This shovel comes with a hardened steel spade which is built to last no matter how you use it. It also has got 3 sharp edges to help you cut tree branches for shelter or a campfire. Weighing at around 48 ounces, this shovel feels lightweight on hand. It also packs 18 different tools to become handy in multiple jobs. It comes with a knife and a ferro rod, which enables you to light the fire quickly and easily so that you can cook meals or set emergency fire for rescue. This ESD Gear Survival Shovel is also easy to assemble, while its military-grade aluminum handle ensures that it will not bore you down working with it. This shovel spade is foldable and comes with a fantastic locking facility that makes storing super easy. Besides, it also comes with a compact carrying pouch made from ripstop nylon that fits easily into your backpack. An innovative and useful tool that is built to last. The ESD Gear Survival Shovel features a sturdy construction and versatile design that makes it an ideal outdoor companion. Most compact and versatile shovel on our list. Introducing the Schrade SCH-SH1 telescopic folding shovel, designed to support both outdoor and survival situations when needed. With a concave shovel blade, its spade is forged with rugged 1055 carbon steel with beveled sharpened edges, which serves as both an outdoor multi-tool as well as an instrument of self-defense. Its spade head is super convenient, which can be used to dig big holes, shovel snow, and light chopping. This steel striking surface also could be used for pound tent stakes to set up a tent for shelter. Locking and unlocking are super easy. All you have to do is rotate the collar until the locking washer snugs and you can operate it with a thumb. Thanks to its aluminum inner tube expansion that helps you to adjust to get the desired size. To dig furrows or scraping tree bark, you can easily reposition the shovel blade at a 90-degree angle that makes your work super efficient. For easy storage, this 15.7-ounce shovel is fully collapsible and you can store it into its nylon belt, or you can easily attach it with your belt or backpack. No matter wherever you're stuck in an uncertain condition, the Schrade SCH-SH1 telescoping folding shovel will help you to survive any situation without losing confidence. Featuring the perfect blend of ergonomics, aerodynamics, and determination, the CRKT Trencher Tactical Shovel is packed with everything in between to get rid of any dire condition. This shovel is made from 1050 carbon steel, while the corrosion-resistant coating on top makes it durable yet rust-proof to survive any tough weather condition. Its unique 3-position heavy-duty shovel head features an aggressive and sharp wood saw with a bevel edge for cutting or chopping pretty easily. The CRKT Trencher comes with a reinforced tip on the shovel head, while adding a layer on the tip and threaded locking collar provides extra facility when you are digging and hitting the rock or other stuff. It can take anything off. With the perfect combination of glass reinforced nylon and carbon steel, its handle is practically made for a hand and provides an excellent and strong grip for every scenario you may encounter. The overall length of this 58.24-ounce shovel is 27.19 inches and it comes with a nylon sheath that allows you to carry it pretty easily. The CRKT Trencher Tactical Shovel features versatility and utility that makes it an ideal companion for any survival mission. Most trusted and unbreakable shovel on our list. Introducing the Annihilate A3 from Zune Lotoo, an ultimate and overall best shovel which is specially designed for law enforcement, navy, and rescuers to play an important role and rescue from various difficulties. Made from mertensitic stainless steel by 100% molding and casting while offering high strength, unbreakable durability, and everything in between, this shovel will survive any dire situation. It is featuring more than 23 survival tools, which are bottle opener, hex wrenches, peeler, and a lot more to make your outdoor adventure more reliable and efficient. It comes with a knife and a steel rod which will enable you to light the fire fast and easy so that you can cook meals or set emergency fire for rescue. This 63.62-ounce compact shovel comes with 5 handles assembled, VOG aluminum, and built-in anti-skid silicone combined to help you work more smoothly. Last but not the least, the FA3 folding shovel can easily be stored in your backpack and vehicle to be your survival kit anytime. The Zune Lotoo survival shovel Annihilate FA3 is trusted and most used by law enforcement, rescuers, and even in the Navy for its durability, versatility, and the other essential facilities. So that was all about the best 5 survival shovels just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.